Welcome to Animal Economy Farms. Today is the 21st of December 2023. As you can see, we are on the brooding stage. Our birds are 5 days now, and they are doing good. You can actually get this place. Actually get them. And we still got a lot of work to do, We still got a lot of work to do. Afterwards you can give him some food because you can see their feed is dry. Okay? Yeah. As you can see, they are doing good, got a lot of plants, and we got a lot of work to do. Got a lot of work to do. Our second house, we got a lot of work. Got a lot of work actually. It's our second house is almost done. Just the net and we seal it up. As you can see, the cage is also almost ready, and very soon we get them hanged on the surfaces, and then we do a better clearance around this whole farm. Will become a neat place. We thank you for your cooperation, and may God bless you. Animal Economy Farms, 21st December 2023.